Hello and welcome back. So in this class I'm just gonna teach you some more things about the buttons. Actually, I'm just gonna teach you about the group buttons, a new and interesting thing of the Bootstrap. So here I'm just adding a class, and then inside the class I'm just adding the btn group, which actually clears that you're just about to making a group inside, and then just simply type the button, just a simple buttons as we did before. Okay, I don't think that it is a problem for anyone. Well, just put the class and btn any space and then the btn. Now let's just mention which effect do you want. For example, do you want the info or do you want the success or whatever. Now duplicate that one, but before duplicating I'm just typing home here. Now I got the 4 buttons here. Let's just go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the home, the 4 homes actually. And what is the group? You can understand that here you can see that the corners are rounded for the whole group, okay, and the middle buttons are square in the square shape. This is called the button group. I hope you understood about that. I'm just going down to teach you some more things about the btn group, but before that I'm just simply copying this one and pasting there. And then if I just add one thing, the vertical, the btn group vertical. Now refresh that back, and now this is the vertical group, which actually placed in the vertical way, not in the horizontal way. I hope you understood about the both ways. So the third way is now ready to be to teach you. So right now what I'm just doing, just creating another div and going to the first one's div tag and just typing class, and then again creating the button group and pressing space and typing button group. So the new thing is button group justified. You will learn some interesting thing in it, but before that just create another divs between the group justified. Okay, here I'm just adding a class, and in the first one's class adding the btn group. Okay, it means now the every div has a btn group and only one btn, just the button here. You can see that button, and with the same tactic just put the class and then just mention the btn. And now the effect btm success, whatever effect you like you can put there. Now just type software. I can type anything whatever I just like. I just duplicated this 3 times. Now go to the browser and refresh that one. Now you can see that it's actually covering the whole area. If I just minimize now, just because I just have to manage this in a different way, just delete that one and just simply copy this one's, the first one's group, here and here. Now we have 3 buttons in the groups, so go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the thing which I just want to teach you. You can see that all the buttons has been justified according to the parent div, the container, the float container floats tag. So definitely this is what I just want to teach you. Well, there are a lot of more things to understand and learn. We'll talk about them in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.